What is good, YouTube? Wani stuck back in the cut, man. Back in your face, man. I know it's been a month, man. But relax, bro. I've been trying to work, you feel me, off camera. You feel me? I got a lot of stuff I gotta do, but y'all don't really care for that, you feel me? As long as I bring y'all the bangers, as long as I come back every time, you feel me? It ain't no problem. Y'all can already hold on. I'm really tripping, like. Y'all can already tell from the title. Can y'all though? What I'm finna do? Like, I don't even know. Y'all seen that last video, you feel me? You feel me? I was fucking with Shawty. I am kind of fucking with Shawty. I ain't even gonna cap. All the females that, you know what I'm saying, I've been dealt with in the past. I don't know. Hopefully, Snapchat girl don't see this video, you feel me? I'm slick trying to, you feel me, do my thing, low key. But crazy, man. No, it disappeared. I had like a little plan, you feel me? I was gonna have so many. Why does life wanna fail me so hard? Like, I was gonna have like a little thing, like, you feel me, having hella people wear the shoes and stuff, but y'all can already tell from the title, man. Room dirty and stuff. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I ain't even gonna cap. Like, if y'all don't know me for real, 4s and 5s are my favorite shoes, and 6s, like 6s is hard as hell, I ain't even gonna cap. But 4s though, look how good it. Let me get my thumbnail real quick. Let me. Nah, that's kind of doing too much. I'm gonna get a thumbnail for y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all how to lace these, bruh. Cause folks don't be knowing how to lace these. Like, you can't wear these shoes and not know how to lace them. Like, look how hard these, man. Let me give y'all a little tutorial on how to lace these hoes real quick, cause y'all don't be wearing them right. I'm trying to figure out where should I prop y'all. Like, I ain't even go cap. Probably like, should I prop y'all up right here, bruh? Can y'all see? Like, I want y'all to look at the shoe when I'm doing it type thing. So I'm gonna just have them sitting right here. Hopefully I can do it like that. Let me lower this real quick. Feel me? Let me have a light for y'all and everything. I'm gonna get right with y'all. I'm gonna get right. Tripping on it. Hopefully the camera don't fall while I do this and stuff. So y'all can already see the shoe, man. Like, the shoe is beautiful. Like, the shoe is beautiful. So what you want to do is you want to loosen it out. You feel me? Just loosen it. You know, make it look good. Make it look right. You feel me? I'm just talking. I never did this before, so this is my first time ever doing this type of video. So boom. You wanna just let me get y'all like, you feel me, up close and personal. Let me try to, you feel me, work with y'all type stuff. So what you want to do, right? Hopefully my camera don't die, because it was on 2%, you feel me? I was recording earlier. That's why I got the same, you feel me, fit on and stuff. Y'all don't know. Man, look, let me see. Let me do this real quick. Let me not waste no time. Like, you want to loosen it up, though. Take this off, take this out. Take this out, you feel me? Because I don't know why they want it tight. Like, it looks nasty when it's all tight up and stuff. So just unloose this. You want this part flapping. Like, this part needs to flap. Like, I ain't gonna cap to you. That part needs to flap out. So, boom, boom. Take them out. You feel me? I don't want to talk too loud. Sorry about my energy. You feel me? I got my folks in the other house. I will be getting my own apartment soon. Hopefully, you feel me? This year is gonna go good for me. So we gonna stay on the internet, man. Everybody keep telling me post every day, every week at least. I gotta come back, man. I'm sorry. Like, so what you wanna do, right? You gotta goddamn loosen this up. You feel me? Just loosen it up. Like, you feel me? Get it to the end. Like, I ain't gonna get this to the end. And then that's how you gonna work it. Yeah. See? I know how I'm putting y'all down, bro. This is how you wear your fours, your Red Bull fours. Like, any fours. This is what you do with any fours. Like, any fours at all. Like, to loosen them out, you feel me? Make sure you good. Like, make sure it's all loose. Make sure it's all, you feel me? You can't have it too loose, because it's going to look retarded. But see, then you got to stretch it out like this. Yeah. You feel me? Make sure these is intact. You know? Come, you feel me, all the way to the, you want to do that all the way to the bottom, like, and I'm gonna show how they look on feet and stuff. They gonna look hard. Like, these always is hard. I ain't gonna cap. I would do like a shoe, you feel me, closet, but y'all already know I gave all my shoes like 2 years ago. But I haven't been buying shoes for her. So we just gonna, you feel me. That's how you loosen it up a little bit. You can't have it too loose, cause you feel me, that looks kind of. Matter of fact. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. These hoes is too hard. I ain't even gonna cap to you. Like, red and black, they did not mess with this one. Like, let me know if they came out with these before. This is my first time ever copying these. Like, look at that. Like, oh my god, that looks so beautiful. Like, now these shoes is hard as fuck, though. I ain't even gonna cap to it. Like, this is gonna be a little review. You feel me? Like, let me shine the light. Sorry, I don't got no ring light right now. But yeah, this how they supposed to look. I ain't even gonna cap. Just take this out a little bit, you feel me? So it can be like even and stuff. So it can, you feel me? But look at the beautiful. Oh my god, like these is. Oh my god, like I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I'm finna goddamn pass out and shit. You feel me? I'm lying. Hold on, let me show y'all. Let me just. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the feet for y'all. Y'all seeing my lips and shit? This ain't no goddamn. You feel me? My bad. I'm not showing my face. I'm just trying to show y'all how the shoe look and shit. You feel me? But these hoes is hard as. Let me show y'all these on feet. Like, let me cut this up. Alright, so boom. I went ahead and did the other shoe, y'all. This is how it's supposed to. Let me get back a little bit. Let me get back. This is how the end product's supposed to look, man. Sorry if my quality can be a little better. I never did this type of tutorial before. This is a little review, you feel me? Like, these hoes is hard as hell. I ain't gonna cap. Sorry about my ankles. Whoa, whoa. So sorry. But this is how the shoe is supposed to look. Man, y'all stay telling me like, how do you be lacing your shoes? Your shoes look hard. Look, this is how you lace them. This is my tutorial. You feel me? First ever tutorial. Let me know if you want me to do any more shoes, you feel me? Cause I got some more shoes I can do, like 6s, 3s, Air Forces. I got Air Forces too. But that was quick, you feel me? Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. I'm back, y'all. Gotta get the flow. You feel me? I miss y'all. I ain't gonna cap. We just gonna be all up, you feel me? All 2020, 2021, 2022. We just gonna go crazy on the post, man. Ooh, I should have got this line right here. My bad, y'all. But look, we gonna get better, man. We go. Yeah.